Hello everyone, so this is the hairstyle I decided to wear today, and I did somewhat of a tutorial on this hairstyle, and it will be posted either tomorrow or somewhere in this video. So basically all I did was I blowed my hair out and I roller set my hair, and I showed you the method and the products that I actually use when I roller set my hair. So I go through that in the video pretty much. So this is the final results of it. And I should have rolled my hair a little bit tighter on the bottom row, but it's okay for the most part. So yeah. So this is where I'm going to wear it today. Normally when I do my hair like this, it lasts about 3 days before I have to redo it. The outfit I have on today, I just have on a black and white dress. And it has a little bit of red in it. The sleeves fold up to red in that. And the bottom part of the dress have red in it. The rest of the dress is just black and white. I also added on a red belt. And I have on a red necklace and red earrings. The earrings I got in my local beauty supply store. And they're just shaped like a shoe. And I thought they were really cute. And they were red. So I decided to wear those today. The necklace I actually purchased off Amazon. I can't remember when I purchased it, but I purchased it off Amazon. And it wasn't very expensive. It's just a red necklace. I needed another red necklace, so I decided to purchase this one. This hand I also have on a red heart ring that I purchased in my local beauty supply store. And this hand I just have my gold ring on this hand. The shoes and purse that I'm taking today, which I told y'all last week that I was going to be wearing, actually taking the same shoes and purse. So this is the shoes, and I have a video on these shoes somewhere, and I'll find it and I'll post a link in the info box. This time I'm actually wearing the attachment that goes with the shoes. This is the attachment that goes around the ankle. I decided to wear that with it today. Last week I wore them without the attachment. This week I'm going to wear them with the attachment. The handbag that I'm taking today is this one. And I purchased this handbag off Amazon as well. I'm going to be doing something to this handbag later on. I'm going to be probably blinging it out or something later on. I have an idea that I want to do to it, but I just hadn't got around to doing it yet because I have so much other things that I'm blinging as well. So yeah, so this video is going to be really short. And I'm trying to keep it as quick as possible, as short as possible, because I'm going to be adding the hair tutorial into this video probably. So that is basically it for everything. If you have any questions, let me know, and I will talk to you later, YouTube. Till then, take care.